Hi, my name's Kyle Ropp, and I recently invested in LeafFilter, and just wanted to tell you how happy I am with the product. The, the installation was very smooth. Actually, the nicest part about the installation was they go through your gutters to make sure they're all lined up correctly. We had a couple spots where water would sit in the corners of our house and on our gutters. It made a huge difference. We notice now that all the water goes away from our house. Our gutters would fill up quite easily with leaves, and the new system works quite well. The salesman was great, very honest, told us exactly what we had to know about how it works, and the guarantees and the warranties, and it's just been a great product from start to finish. I would highly recommend LeafFilter to all my friends and family. Actually, I already have. My daughter's already looked into it, and she looks like she's going to do it at her house. And it does add value to your home, so it's a good product, very good product.